How's it going everyone? This is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset your Razer mouse. Now take note that this will work for any Razer mice out there, so just follow along. The first thing that you want to do is to connect your mouse onto your computer, and then you want to open up your browser and search for the Razer Synapse. Basically, this is the software that people use in order to customize or edit some settings on their Razer products. From here, scroll down, and then you want to click on either Windows or Mac, depending on the device that you are using. Basically, right after, it will then look something like this. All you have to do inside the software is to first click your mouse. In our case, it's going to be the Razer version 3 Pro. From here, you then want to click on this question mark icon. It's going to be tiny, but you will be able to spot this at the corner of the software. From there, we then have the factory reset option. So just click on this button right here. Confirm the message, which will then say delete. You are about to reset the device back to its factory settings. All profiles stored on the device will be erased. So just click delete and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.